Ever wondered how to start a conversation with your crush? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the art of sparking up that initial conversation that could potentially lead to something more. First things first, preparation is key. Before even thinking about starting a conversation, it's important to do a bit of homework. This doesn't mean stalking, rather, it's about gaining a basic understanding of their likes, interests, and hobbies. Social media can be a good place to start, but remember, always respect privacy boundaries. Next, find common ground. It's always easier to start a conversation about something you both have an interest in. Maybe it's a popular TV show, a sport, or even a shared class. This shared interest will not only give you a topic to start with, but it also increases the chances of the conversation flowing naturally. Now, on to the third step, initiating the conversation. It's crucial to keep it casual and light-hearted. Starting with a friendly greeting or a casual observation about something around you can work wonders. For example, commenting on the weather or the book they're reading can be an easy way to break the ice. The fourth step is to ask open-ended questions. These types of questions require more than a simple yes or no answer, encouraging your crush to share more about themselves. Questions like, "What did you think about the latest episode of that show?" Or, "What's your favorite part about playing that sport?" can keep the conversation going. Fifthly, be an active listener. Paying close attention to what your crush is saying shows that you genuinely care about their thoughts and opinions. It also provides more topics to delve into, keeping the conversation alive and interesting. Finally, always remember to be yourself. Authenticity is attractive. Trying to be someone you're not can come off as insincere and is ultimately unsustainable. So let your true personality shine through. To sum up, starting a conversation with your crush might seem intimidating, but with the right approach, it can be a breeze. Preparation, finding common ground, initiating the conversation casually, asking open-ended questions, actively listening, and being authentic are the keys to success. So why wait? Time to put these steps into action and strike up that conversation. Good luck!